I hope you all have been well. I wanted to show you all my first AliExpress order. I got some postcards, dishware, and whatnot. It took a while to get to me though, so that was a negative for me. I don't know if you guys ever ordered from AliExpress before, but yeah, it took a while, much longer than Temu, and I'm more used to them. So yes. But here I got my postcards, and I actually got these to decorate my room once I finished painting it. That's a whole project in itself, and those of you who've done that work before know how tasking that work can be. Other than that, they actually came out to be very, very pretty. The cardstock is actually pretty thick, and the graphics are very nice. I love them so much. They actually look like the oil painting. Like, it's so pretty. So I definitely can't wait to decorate my room with them. I had the hardest time putting those things back inside of the container. It was extremely hard. On to my new one. Oh my goodness. I really wanted to get some dishware from AliExpress. I saw some really, really cute stuff, and I saw this super cute mug, and I was like, oh my goodness, I adore like drinking tea and stuff like that. I adore that stuff. So I was like, oh my god, this mug is so cute and yellow and chubby. I love it so much. Okay, story time with this ribbon, because I was pissed because I actually ordered pink plaid ribbon, and this is what they sent me, and I was like, what the hell is this? This looks like white chiffon ribbon. This is not. And I even tried to appeal it, and they were like, no, chick, they sent you the right thing. And I'm like, what? No, you didn't. And they still didn't even like resolve it. So I was like, don't know if I'm gonna keep ordering on here. But then I kept looking, and I was like, there's really cute stuff. So I was like, we'll see. This plate, by the way, is so cute. I love it. It's so pastel and adorable, and it's very thick and heavy, so I really like it. And it goes perfect with my cute little mug. Oh, I love it so much. I'm very happy with that purchase right there. On to my Miffy. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love Miffy so much. She's so cute. I have been trying to get this cute little bunny for a long time, both that fluffy pillow and this corduroy one. I put that ribbon on there, so that did not come with the Miffy, just putting it out there. But yes, I have been trying to get me some Miffy for so long. One thing I didn't understand though is, what is this little suction cup thing? Is that for like your wall or something? I didn't know what in the world that was for. But either way, I love it. And this is some ribbon I got. I love this ribbon. You look prettier today. How pretty is that? Nice. I actually got that for my business, so I could pack my orders with it. For lunch, I made myself some beef ramen noodles with a fried egg. It was so delicious and good, nice and savory. I also made myself a nice fresh salad. It was so delicious with a homemade vinaigrette. So yummy. I think one of these will be good.
There you go. Perfect.
Promise one right here. Okay, sausage.
I got turkey in here. I got the meat in here.
So today I'll be making chocolate chip cookies from scratch. I usually make my own to avoid a lot of the craziness that sometimes in food. I don't know if you guys noticed, but sometimes the ingredients in these simple baked goods or just foods will just be filled with all types of chemicals that you can't even like literally read. And I'm like, you know what? Having like a 25 letter, 15 letter word in my cookies just doesn't seem worth it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my own. I know it seems time consuming, but it's definitely better in the long run. You guys already saw me mixing all the dry ingredients together, which would be like the flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, all that. I personally like to mix the vanilla extract into the eggs. I think that that's much better. So now here it's time to add the butter to the flour mixture, and then once I get that all mixed in and ready and put together and whatnot and scraped out, mix it all together. I usually do this by hand, by the way. I think you get better results by using a spatula than using a mixer. I also like to put molasses in there, probably about 2 teaspoons or so of molasses. I think they just make the cookies a little bit more chewy and soft. My mom actually gave me that tip, so golden tip right there for you. Oh yeah. We finally come to the part where the dough is nice and mixed up. Now it's time to add the chocolate chips. I usually add about 2 cups of chocolate chips. This is half a cup I'm using, by the way. They came out so perfect. Now it's time to add those suckers to the dough, mix it all up and make it all perfect, and make sure that you thoroughly mix the chocolate chips in so you don't have like more on one side than the other. I'm usually getting my sheet pan, whatnot, getting my parchment paper. I usually use one of those like ice cream scooper melon baller looking thingies. I forget what they're called. Like how it makes the cookies look a similar size and whatnot. And I also like putting chocolate chips on the top just to give it that extra oomph. And look how they came out. They came out so soft and chewy and perfect. Oh my God, look at them. So yummy. These days, I've been wanting to journal more. In particular, I wanted to start journaling not only about my everyday and day-to-day and whatnot, my thoughts and feelings, but again, in particular, I wanted to journal more about being grateful and having more gratitude towards my everyday as well. You know, just taking the time to take a step back and just look at, you know what, I was very productive today. I got this and that done. You know, a lot of times I've noticed I can be kind of hard on myself. So, yes, just taking a step back and just being grateful for all the love and support that I've gotten from my family and friends and even you guys and whatnot.